If you're trying to sell your 3D printed stuff online and sales are okay, but they're just not where you need them to be, there's one thing that I know you won't be utilizing correctly, and that is keywords. So keywords are how anyone finds anything online to buy. If you think about when you go to Amazon, when you want to buy something, you type in what you want to buy. Here's how I was explaining it to a client the other day. The main thing with keywords is that not everyone says the same words for the same things. So let's say you call your widget a dog collar. Don't sell dog collars, by the way, terrible idea. But other people might not call it a dog collar, or they might be looking for something more specific than a dog collar. For example, a large dog collar or a large leather collar for dogs. But the key is that you're optimizing your Amazon, your Etsy, your eBay listings for all the main keywords that are relevant to your products that other customers might use to search for your thing.